Hello, CMI 314 learners. Welcome to week 7. My goodness, I cannot believe we are here already. We got this week and next week, and we are done, my friends. Just a couple quick things. This week is really good opportunity for you guys to get in your group forums and start and or finish your group presentations wherever you are on that. I know some groups are pretty much done and some groups are still working, so just make sure you guys are getting in there. Use this week because this week is wide open to get with your group. The only thing that we got going on this week is you're reading an article. I believe this is an article. Let me check. It's been a while since yep. So you're going to read this article, okay? And then it's got really good important stuff on networking because we've been talking a lot about recruitment lately and the whole children ministry process. So that's a really good read. And then we're going to be doing our discussion questions. Thank you guys last week. You guys were really in the DQ forums, and it totally showed. I'm gonna grade participation today, so I know that should definitely help the grades in here. So keep up the good work. Keep pushing in that and engaging with your classroom. Also, we're gonna have a Zoom meeting. I actually don't know if it's on here. It is at the bottom of the module. Here, let me go back in here. I'll go ahead and put that in the news and all that good stuff. Yep. Pre-final Zoom meeting part 2, okay? So, last week you guys got some really awesome information. Those who attended, those who ended up watching the video after because they have work. This is an opportunity to get extra credit. So, I encourage you to hop on. We're going to do it Thursday, March 21st at 6 p.m. And you just click right here to attend the meeting. Super easy. It's obviously not fully required, but I do definitely think, especially if you haven't been in the classroom, get on here, come say hi to me. I'm there for at least like 15-20 minutes. If you have any questions about your group, if you are having trouble contacting your group, this is a great meeting spot for that. And if you attend, you get extra credit. Pretty cool. I probably will not do an extra credit assignment afterwards unless you have told me you cannot be present and you have to give me a valid excuse. So if you cannot attend, please let me know. You can respond below or you can email me. Also, yeah, this is on Thursday, and it's going to be great, especially since this is the last time you guys get to really ask me questions because we are in week 7. Once week 8 rolls around, you guys have your final presentation for Zoom, and then you also have your group lesson plan, okay? So all of you guys have, sent me a declaration letter saying you've read the instructions, you understand the instructions, especially for week 8. This is published week 8. I published it earlier, so you can go in here and review this again, even though it's in previous weeks. But this is where you're going to, and your rubric, this is where you're going to submit your group lesson plan. So that template that you guys used in week 1, 2, and 3, the full template, not just parts of it, but the full template, you're going to use that and you're going to submit it here, okay? There's a drop file for it. And then if you look right here for the Zoom portal, there's also a drop file and a link file. Now, the best thing for this, I think, because computers can be weird, is just go ahead and upload it, your video, your group presentation, to YouTube, and then copy the link, and you can submit the link here. I prefer you guys to submit it here because instead of emailing me, really try to submit it here, and you guys can just choose, one person from your team to do that, since you guys are a group and I know who's in your group. I can grade from the rubric right here. So review the rubrics before you get started on this or before you finish it. It's submitting a website URL, a media recording, or file upload. So you should have plenty of opportunities to get this recorded and upload. If you do have any questions, just shoot me an email. Let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. This should be fun, guys. You guys have done lessons plans throughout the whole 8 weeks. So this is just showing your strengths in that and really just honing down those skills, and make sure you're doing it within your group level, because remember what we've been saying in the past is that, age groups matter, and one size does not fit all in children's lesson plans. So I'm really going to be looking for the intention of you guys putting the time in to make sure it's relevant and applicable for that age group. Okay, so yep, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Other than that, if you have any prayer requests, go in the prayer forum and discussions and get in those DQs. We'll see you Thursday for the Zoom meeting. Have a good day.